Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Julie and I like to talk about handbags here on this channel. And if you're not new and you're returning, thank you guys so much for joining me again for another video. Tonight I have an impromptu Coach unboxing. Right now Coach is having a summer sale and I decided I wanted to go ahead and just kind of take advantage, buy something kind of small because next week I have a pretty amazing purchase that I am going to be doing. So stay tuned for a later unboxing here in about a week or two. But yes, I just wanted to show you what I was kind of eyeing even before the sale, and then this bag came up on sale and I thought it was gonna make a really wonderful light summer bag. I do love carrying like less leather in the summertime and then just a smaller bag. So let me go ahead and just get started by showing you the bag of the day. So my bag of the day is the Coach Large Rowan, and this is in the color Sand with Ivory or Taupe with Sand, Taupe and Sand. And I just adore this bag. I wore it into the Coach store, the Coach retail store, and you know, outlet and retail are somewhat merging a little bit, and the associates there absolutely loved the Large Rowan. They're like, ooh, I wish that we had them here in the store. And yeah, I just love this bag. It's cool. The canvas is cool, and I love that. Today the high was like 93 degrees. So I'm using her. I got her decked out with the, I don't know if this is like a pride strap or not, but it's like the light pastel version of that. And it has silver hardware. And then I have the little silver C here because it goes with the silver hardware. And then on the inside, it just carries everything. It is such a good bag. The zipper pocket on the back. And then it also has feet on the bottom. Everyone knows what a Rowan is. And so yeah, I love the large ones. So let's go ahead and just dive into the unboxing because I know that's what you're all here for. Sweet SA Sydney at the Oak Park Mall store. Love you, Sydney. She gift wrapped it for me, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. I am filming upstairs, you guys. It is like hot right here, and I was debating on filming downstairs at my couch spot like I normally do, but I just decided to come upstairs because I think the sound is a little bit better up here. Okay, so she's all cushioned and I'm gonna have a ton of unwrapping to do. I don't know if you guys can kind of tell what bag this is just from seeing through the plastic. Okay guys, I got the Soho bag in the red jacquard print. And this is just so cute. It is so cute. This bag is deceiving. It's small and it's slim, but she holds quite a bit. And I do need to buy one more thing so I can wear this bag the way I want to. Because the one thing about this bag that I'll say is I wish they would have given you like a crossbody strap with it. It does have this top handle strap, and which is really nice. And the one thing that it is so special about this bag is this magnetic just closure. And it is a strong magnet. So I had this bag when I was trying it on in store stuffed with my stuff, and it was awesome. Like everything fit perfectly in it. Let me show you the inside. So I've got, here's the dust bag, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull out all the paper. Okay, and then on the inside of the Soho, you just have the jacquard fabric, really nice. And then, yeah, just a zipper pocket on the back. But it is so simple. Like this bag is a remake from the original Soho. And over here, there's two hang tags that are, one's just the regular Coach New York, and then the other one says the Soho Flap, limited re-edition 2006. I used to have a red bag in sport red. I think this is ruby red, if I'm not mistaken, but I used to have the demi shoulder bag re-edition one that came out like maybe 2 years ago. And I did love that bag, but it was only able to be carried by shoulder. And the reason why I love this bag is because I think it's gonna make for like a really nice like hip crossbody. But I do not own a red strap with silver hardware at all. So I have to figure out what to wear. Now in store, I did try this on with the dinky silver crossbody strap, and it did look really good. And that is a consideration, but wearing chains all the time crossbody, like I'm either considering getting like a web strap that could go with this background color. And I know Coach Outlet has one that's like a creamish web strap with silver hardware. I think that would look pretty. Or going just back to get that silver chain strap. And honestly, it's probably the chain strap because I think it does bring out the silver buckle here, which I think is so cute. It is so cute. But yeah, like the one thing I'll say about my summer handbag collection, I have pared down my Bandit collection, you guys, from 5 to 1. And this is the one Bandit that I still have, and I absolutely am obsessed with this color. Now, on the Bandit itself, the thing that drives me a little bit more crazy than I thought, because I use a bigger iPhone now, is just the capacity of this bag. It doesn't really hold as much as what I would really ideally want. Okay, I'm gonna put that back there. And then another bag that I love for the summer is this guy here, which in my opinion holds a little bit more than the Bandit. And I just love this color. I love it with my little cherries that I put on it. So there's that. Now, I just felt like I don't have a red bag anymore in my collection because I sold my red Bandit, and I also gave my mom my red Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. I gave it to her. She wears that bag every single day, and it just warms my heart to see her carrying it. So I just thought, gosh, this is gonna be so fun for the summer. And it's got the material I really want. Like, it's not thick, heavy leather by any means. Like, I love nylon in the summer, and I love fabric bags in the summer. So it's great. I'm excited. So do you guys have a Soho bag of this new style? I know they've remade, they made them in 2006, and that was the year I really started getting into Coach, just myself, was 06, 07 timeframe. And I never bought an original Soho. So I had like a few hobo bags from maybe the Soho hobo bag is what I used to have. But I mean, those bags have long gone, and now I'm killing myself because I wish I would have kept all my hobo bags. And, but yeah, I just find it's so cute, and I love the capacity. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my reveal. So yeah, now I have to figure out what crossbody strap to wear with it. If I just wear this as a shoulder bag, I mean, it's got a decent shoulder drop to it. Like, it's a cute little baguette and everything like that. So purposeful for like a quick grab and go. But I like the idea of being able to throw this on just crossbody. So yeah, I purposely wore like a black tank top for this video. I had like a thicker, not thick, but I had like an airy shirt that had like a really deep V, and it was like short sleeve, and I started to burn up. I can't believe how hot and windy it is. Like, I'm in the Midwest, you guys. It is just hot and windy, and my AC is trying to keep up with the temperatures today. But so yeah, this is gonna get used. I'm probably gonna hop right into it. It doesn't have brass hardware, but I really like wearing my Pride strap this month for Pride Month. So I think that this could look super cute with it too. Let me see if one of my crossbody straps would actually look good and what you guys think. I'm gonna see what my sand crossbody strap would look like on this bag. Like my coach Essay had brought up the fact that this strap sort of matches the background of this bag, and it kind of does. I think in a pinch I could like use this in the event I want to wear the leather. So yeah, I really dig, sorry, my shorts, I hate them. I really dig this as a crossbody. Just the simplest, easiest, one compartment vibe, just easy, you know what I mean? And lightweight, this bag is very lightweight, but what do you guys think about using just my large Rowan strap on it? I mean, that is an option. I think I'm still gonna grab that dinky chain strap. I might as well. I'll, yeah, probably do that, so. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me. I, again, will let you guys know about the next bag that I am gonna be buying from Coach. It is a special bag. It is a one-of-a-kind bag, and I am like seriously so excited. I hope it can come through. I guess there's no total promises, but I'm not gonna lead into too much on what it is, but I'm so pumped. Like, it's a dream bag. So again, that'll be in a couple weeks. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for loving Coach with me. We're all here together, spending our money, and that's all I got. Take care. Bye-bye.